Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video tutorial we're going to learn about how to bookmark a website on your Google Chrome browser, how to pin a website onto your Google Chrome browser, and then lastly we'll look at how to save a website, your favorite website, onto your Windows desktops for your later reference. So if you have any favorite websites you visit frequently, you can use this approach to bookmark, pin, and then save the website. So I have these three websites here: the Microsoft website, the Amazon website, and then the YouTube websites we're going to use for this tutorial. So the first thing I will do is to show you how to bookmark these websites. So the first thing you want to do is to select the website and then click the star at the right, and then once you click on it you will see the bookmark added. You can rename it. In my case I'll call it Microsoft website, and then the folder you can click the arrow down and then select any of the options. In my case I'll select the bookmark bar. You can also put it in the all bookmarks, and then click the done to save it in the bookmark. I'll do it for the other websites as well, the Amazon website and then the YouTube website, following the same procedure. Click the star, rename it if you want to, and then click done. And then once that is done, you want to enable the bookmark bar by clicking on the three dots on the right side and then selecting bookmarks and tabs, and then selecting the show bookmarks bar, and that would show the bookmarks bar right underneath the address bar, so you can see the three websites I just bookmarked right there. So the next time you want to open them, just open a fresh browser and then select one of the websites. To pin the websites, you can select the tab and then select the option pin. You can see once you pin it, you will see that the tab size will reduce significantly. So I'll do it for all the three, and then I'll restart the browser to show you how it looks like. So in case you accidentally close your websites, once you have them pinned, the next time you open the browser, the Google Chrome browser, you can see that, or you will see all your pinned websites open automatically for you without you having to enter the addresses all over again. So over here we can see the websites loading, the pinned websites loading. They have all successfully loaded. So to view them, just select them and then you can view them as and when you want to. The last thing I want to show you is what if you want to save these websites on your desktop. So resize the browser and then click and hold that icon and then drag and drop it onto your desktop. Sometimes you will see HTTPS, sometimes you will see HTTP, sometimes you will see a padlock. Just select those icons and then drag it and drop it on the desktop. Rename it to your preference and then you can save it right away. So I will do it for the Amazon websites. So I've successfully saved those two websites onto my desktop very easily, very simply. So yes guys, we looked at how to bookmark a website on your Google Chrome browser. We also looked at how to pin a website onto your Google Chrome browser, and then lastly we looked at how to save your website, your favorite website, onto your desktop. So kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to subscribe to my channel Tech PBA. Click the like button if this was helpful. Turn on notifications for all. Share the video, and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.